Welcome to this video, and today we'll be exploring best fit profile. So here with me I have a profile view, and then I have an alignment. So let's just press on analyze here to see what is happening. So if I go to the station tracker and I track what's happening here, so this profile is starting from this section and then going all the way to this junction here. Okay, as you can see, as I'm moving towards the right, you can see along the alignment, the station tracker to the right. So we want to create a design profile for this road down here. So we are going to utilize the best fit profile to do that. So if I go to my home tab here, and then I go to the profile tools, you can see here, create best fit profile. So let me select that. And then you'll be prompted to select a profile view. So you select the profile view, and then the input type, the type of data that you want to best fit your profile through. Here I'm going to select the surface profile, and then here is some weeding options. If you want to weed out some vertices that will be created, or you want to add other vertices, you can add that. Currently we'll go with the default. And then the surface profile is already selected for you. We only have one surface profile. And then down here, you can select the maximum radius for curve detection. Let's go with the default as well. The curve type for profiles, of course, we'll go with parabola as per the design codes. Then profile draw method will be all above and below. You can select above only, but we want it to be all above and below. And then down here, the thing of interest is to select the profile style. So let's select a design profile so that it's different from the surface profile style. Then we want to show the report, and let's uncheck the label offsets. So once I'm done with setting up all that, I just click OK. And here is the report. It's showing us the offset from the existing profile, which is the surface profile. So it's showing us at different points, at different stations, there are offsets from the surface profile. So it's giving us the elevation, it's giving us the station, and also the offsets. So we can close the report for now and check out the design profile. So that's our design profile. It's trying to follow the surface profile as much as possible. So let's see another method that we can choose that is more accurate, because this is following the surface a bit too strictly. So let's use another best fit format. So let me just select this and delete it for now. So this is a best fit method, but we're going to do entity by entity. So if I go back to the profile, our profile section here at the create design panel, I go to the profile creation tools, and then I'm prompted to select the profile view. I select that, and then I can name my profile. I can call it design profile. And then the profile style is this design profile. For now, we don't want to use design criteria. And then the layer is as default. Then labels, we won't label it for now. Just click OK. Then now you'll be presented with the profile layout tools. And here at the profile layout tools, here at the tangents, we'll be starting with tangents. You can select the best fit option. And now I want to do my best fit alignment by clicking on the screen. So let me just do that and then click OK. You have other options here. You can choose best fit by passing it through some Kogo points or through some entities. But for me, right now, I want to do it by clicking on the screen. So once you select that, I just click OK. Then I can start from the first point here. And then let me put off the snaps. Then I want to go all the way down here. And Once I'm okay with that, I can just hit enter. Then this panorama will pop up and I can see a report here, which is showing me also the amount of offsets. You can see just a few meters. It's only that our vertical profile is exaggerated. So here you can exclude some points if you want to exclude. If you want to pass through a particular point strictly, you can add that point. And then if you want to increase how much a particular point influences your best fit alignment, you can also increase the weight in which it carries in the influence. So we're okay with this for now. So we just click on save and then we hit enter. So you can see we have a first segment of our profile. So let's create another tangent. So I just click here on best fit tangent again, and then I select by clicking on screen and I hit OK, and I want to select 2 points here. So let me select 2 points here, hit enter again, and then I click on save here, then I hit enter again. So now we want to introduce a curve in between these 2 tangents. We want to introduce a curve, and we'll do a best fit curve also, a free curve. Free curve means it's controlled or is constrained by the 2 tangents that are on each side of the curve. So let's do a best fit curve, free vertical curve, best fit. So I just click on that, and then I'm prompted to select first entity. Then I'm prompted to select the next entity. So I will create the curve by clicking on the screen. So I hit that option again, and then I click OK, and I want that curve to pass through some points here. So it will do a best curve according to how it calculates the parabola. So once I'm done again, I hit enter, and then I go to the panorama. If I want to exclude something, if I want it to pass through strictly to a particular point, I do that. But if I don't, I just click OK and I hit enter. And now you can see this is a very good curve. We have 2 tangents and a very good curve in between them. So we can go all the way to the end. Let's do it. Let me do some other tangents. So let me do a tangent by clicking on screen. Click OK. I want my tangent to be from here, let's say somewhere there. I hit enter. Then remember to go to this panorama here on the left. We go back to panorama, and then you hit enter, and you click OK. And then you can do another one here by clicking on screen. OK. Then you select from here all the way to the end, and then you hit enter, and then you go to the panorama, and in this case I want it to pass through the endpoint that I've just selected. So I hit save, and I click this enter. And now what is left is me to create that curve in between the 2 tangents. So I select the first entity, and then I select the next entity here. And then I click on screen, then I select, let me turn off ortho or off snap here, yes. And then I hit enter. So I save this and I hit OK. So there we go. We have now a design profile that looks very good. Oh, we forgot to add a curve here. So we can do it by best fit again. I just click on the first entity and the next entity here. And then I select by clicking on screen. Then I select some points here, and then I hit enter again, I save and I check it. So there we go. We have a very good vertical curve here. Now we can even check it on Panorama and see the kind of curves we have, the key values. We can check them against our design manuals. So there we go. We have a design profile very easily. And if you like this video, please remember to like, share it with any other people who may be in need of this video, and remember to subscribe to the channel and to hit on the notification icon. So see you in the next video. Bye.